Let's solve a difficult one. While in many ways their personalities could not have been more different, she was ebullient where he was glum, relaxed where he was awkward, garrulous where he was dash. They were surprisingly well suited. Step 1. Read the entire sentence and try to figure out what the subject matter here. This sentence is about human personality or compare personality. Step 2. Do not see the answer choices. Try to find out answer clue. You will find this clue in the without blank part. Here, while part step 3. What you have found, positive and negative clue. Step 4. Is there any connectors? Figure out it. Here, we have found, while, connector in the without blank part and, where, with blank part. Final short. In many ways their personality could not have been different, that means about 90% similar. So, this is a positive contextual clue. What connectors they have used to complex the meaning. They have used where structure. No. The structure of where first part, garrulous. Where, negative that means opposite of. Garrulous, first part, negative. Where, positive or opposite of the first part. Blank part. Well suited that means 90% similar. Now do the math without blank part. While connectors, times in many ways their personality could not have been different, equals negative. So, this part gives us negative comparison, while in many ways their personalities could not have been more different. She was ebullient where he was glum, relaxed where he was awkward, blank part. Surprisingly, connectors. So, without blank part, times with blank part, equals positive. Now check the option, find out positive pair or synonym of garrulous. While in many ways their personalities could not have been more different. She was ebullient where he was glum, relaxed where he was awkward, garrulous where he was dash. They were surprisingly well suited. A. Solicitous, B. Munificent, C. Irresolute, D. Laconic, E. Fastidious, F. Taciturn. Now check the relation. Can solicitous be garrulous? No, so solicitous equal not garrulous. Can irresolute be garrulous? No, so irresolute equal not garrulous. Can munificent be garrulous? No, so munificent equal not garrulous. Can laconic be garrulous? Yes, so laconic equals garrulous. Can fastidious be garrulous? No, so fastidious equal not garrulous. Can taciturn be garrulous? Yes, so taciturn equals garrulous. So, the answer will be D and F. What is transition? A transition or connector can be any language indicating that two parts, ideas, or actions in the sentence are the same or opposite in sense. Positive connectors furthermore, similar to, so, and, since, also, thus, because of, semicolon, winking face. Likewise, moreover, similarly, in addition, consequently. Therefore, not only, but also, nothing but, something. In fact, indeed, too, further, as well as a result of, due to, thereafter. Hence, additionally, just as, so too, smiley face. Accordingly, for example, next, similarly, like, insofar as, thereafter, likewise, the negative connectors instead, even though, even when, even with, meanwhile, but, hardly, unlike, distinct, differing, differ, unexpected, actually, despite, yet, however. Unless, rather, although, while, on the other hand, at the same time, conversely, in contrast, in spite of, anything but, something, far from, something, even though, even if, notwithstanding, for all the, typically negative. Whereas, still, even so, on the other hand, nevertheless, nonetheless. Compared with, besides, ironically, paradoxically, though, contrastingly, divergently, unfortunately. On the contrary, rather than, rather, surprised, surprisingly, unexpected, less than, surprising. Illogically, unexpectedly, belied, belies, or previously, not, contradicting, alternatively, ironic. Unfortunate, more than, otherwise, even after NB. On the other hand, equals at the same time give same meaning.